So I've come to very busy, very loud London, and I'm shooting on Bermondsey Street because I just love the mix of old and new buildings. So I'm going to start by opening the Lightroom CC app on my phone. So I'm going to go for this one. So it's quite a wintry feel, so it's going to be quite cold. One of my favorite tricks is you use optics, and that ever so slightly takes out the bend which cameras just add in. The next one is, because we're shooting quite tall buildings, that sometimes they're on a slant. So my favorite thing to do is just click the auto upright, and all of a sudden you'll see that it's just pulled the buildings so that they're standing up, which again is such a simple tool, but it's so effective and so magic. I love it. Next, what I think I might do is go to the light feature. I sometimes just take out a little bit of the highlights just to kind of give it a bit more of a dull, matted feel. And I will start by taking out the shadows a little bit just to see what I'm playing with. See if I want to change any of the colors. Is it too warm? Is it too cold? Actually, this is quite perfect. It's neither, but if it was, for example, too cold, I can just warm it up slightly. And as you see, the buildings will warm up a little bit. Next, I would look at this and go, I want to make things pop. I want to make it stand out. So I would up the clarity ever so slightly. Nothing too much. I never over-edit my photos. They're always as they were shot, but just enhanced. And I think that's what Adobe Lightroom CC is brilliant for. It's just enhancing and tweaking your imagery. And all this was just shot on my phone. Like there's no camera involved in this. And if you have a look now, you can see how it was. If you hold down, the original will appear, and it's that. It's brought to life, and it's my final image. And it's as simple as that.